it is Jen Lefforge. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. I'm gonna try to make today's video super short, like maybe even under 10 minutes. So fingers crossed, let's see if I can make it. If you're new, I'm so glad that you're here. We talk about Disney, Disney Vacation Club, running, travel, and I hope that you'll stick around for all the fun. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification so that you don't miss a thing. I will be leaving for Walt Disney World in 5 days, and that just kind of blows my mind. We have been looking forward to this trip for a while. It is just me and one of my kids this time. I just kind of wanted to talk about the trip in general and the things that I'm looking forward to and how you can sort of follow along with me on everything that I'm doing. We are staying in 2 different resorts, and that's the number one thing that I'm excited about, is where we're staying. We are Disney Vacation Club members. I'm actually wearing one of my DVC swag shirts. One of you in my last video said you wanted to see my DVC swag, so I'll try to bring that out from time to time, but this shirt will definitely be going with us. It's one of my favorites. It's got Tinkerbell on it. But we're doing a split stay. We have 2 nights in a Garden View Boardwalk studio and 2 nights in a Bay Lake Tower Lakeview studio, both of which we adore. I may have said in one of my previous videos, I always shied away from split stays. It just seemed like such a pain in the neck. And to be honest, if we were all 5 traveling, I think I would still feel that way. But I did it on my solo trip back in January, or no, I'm sorry, in April. And if you want to see that, I'll put a link right up here to all of those videos. But it really was not a big deal. I mean, yes, I did have to pack my stuff back up, but Bell Services came to my room. They took my luggage to Bay Lake Tower, and when I got there around 4 o'clock, I just called Bell Services there and they brought my bags up. So it was really easy, much easier than I expected it would be. So I think split stays will be fine with me in the future, especially because we really like the Epcot resort area and we love staying near the Magic Kingdom. So that kind of helps us get a couple of different experiences. Again, if I was traveling, especially when the kids were young, I think that would have been a huge no, because we kind of would explode all over the hotel room. Now that my kids are older and that they kind of take care of themselves, I think it will be a much easier proposition for us in the future. I'm really looking forward to where we're staying. Another thing I'm really looking forward to is going to the Moonlight Magic event at Epcot, and that is on the 16th. It's from 9:30 to midnight. It is a members only event. It has been sold out, unfortunately, for a really long time. The window to book it opened early if you were actually staying on points, or I guess you didn't even have to be staying on points. As long as you were staying on property for the night of the 16th, you could get an earlier window to book those tickets. They are free of charge, but then that includes you get free Mickey bars and free hot dogs and free potato chips and free drinks. There's a special fireworks show, and I believe all of the attractions in Future World and maybe Mexico and Norway will be open. I can't seem to get a definitive answer on that. So if you know what the deal is with that, please post that below. And I'm super excited because we are being joined by the Neverland family, and that is going to be so much fun. I'm super excited about meeting Frank and Jenny in person. We have chatted for a while online, and I think that will just be really fun to meet them, to meet Ellie and Max. Also really looking forward to it being my birthday. So my birthday is on the 17th, and it has been a while since I've actually been in one of the theme parks on my actual birthday. July 17th, as some of you most likely know, 1955 was when Disneyland opened in Anaheim, California, and I was born in Huntington Beach. I used to go to Disneyland on my birthday quite a bit. You know, my mom always said I was kind of destined to have Disney in my blood because I was born on July 17th. It will be super fun to actually be at Walt Disney World on my actual birthday. I have a new dress that I'm wearing on my birthday that I'm super excited about. It's the Disney Parks dresses that they sell at the, shoot, what's the name of that shop, you guys? Oh, come on, one of you knows. I'll put it in the description because I'll remember what the shop is called. But maybe it's just called the Dress Shop. I think it's the Dress Shop on Cherry Tree Lane. And I bought a Monsters Inc. dress that I have had my eye on for a while. I'm actually excited about wearing my new dress. Another thing that I am really looking forward to is eating at the Hollywood Brown Derby. I have eaten here before, but that's where we're gonna have my actual birthday dinner, and then we're gonna go see Fantasmic after that. So that's gonna be really, really fun. What else did I have on my list? Oh, filming. How could I forget that? I'm super excited to be filming my trip. My last trip, and again, I hope you'll go and check out those videos, but that was my very first time filming in the parks. I was super nervous about it. I wasn't sure how it was gonna work. I feel like going into this trip, I feel much more comfortable and empowered, and I think it's gonna be a really, really good time. So I'm looking forward to bringing a lot of new things to you guys, especially Toy Story Land, which is of course on my list of things I'm looking forward to. So not only are we riding both, we have fast passes for both Slinky Dog and Alien Swirling Saucers on 2 different days, because you can't book both of those. They're both tier 1 attractions with your fast pass, but also in getting some merch, because we have blown through our 2,000 subscribers, so I will be late on my giveaway. I want to do a really fantastic Toy Story Land giveaway for you guys, so I'm actually looking forward to shopping in the merch and finding a few fantastic goodies to give away to one of you, so be looking for that as well. So if you want to follow along, obviously number 1, make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss any of the videos. I'm going to do a packing video closer to the end of this week. That will probably go up on Friday or Saturday. I will be posting while we're gone. No videos will go up next week, but while we're gone, I'll be on Instagram a lot. So I'm Jen Lefforge on Instagram. I'll put that below as well. Also Jen Lefforge on Twitter. So make sure you follow along in both of those places. Definitely I'll be posting lots of pictures, so I hope that you'll join me there. If you have anything that you want me to check out while I'm gone, any attractions that you in particular want to see a ride through of, if there's any stores you want me to go into, any quick service locations you want me to go into. We're eating at quite a few table service restaurants. We'll be at Tiffin's, we'll be at 50's Prime Time, we'll be at Garden Grill, we'll be, as I said, at Hollywood Brown Derby. So I'll definitely do really in-depth reviews of all of those, but if there's any snacks or quick service options that y'all want me to review in particular, please let me know in the comments below, and I will do my best to get to those while I'm there. Okay, so now I just have to wait a few more days and I'm off to Walt Disney World. Thanks for watching, you guys. I can't wait to bring you all the fun things that we're gonna do, and I'll see you real soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.